Hello everyone, you join me here today working on my E30 again. I'm working on the wide body, and today I'm hoping that I can get both sides matched to where they need to be so I can start fiberglassing and shaping everything in so then I can get my perfect molds. So really exciting times. Let's just jump right into it. Let me show you guys something real quick though. So this is what I have been working on. As you can see, this side is now nicely curved, whereas the old side, you can see it's just a point. So I've been working on getting that bit perfect. Got this piece as well to go over it on top like this. Might be going underneath actually, I'm not 100% sure. And then I can work on blending it all in perfectly with some fiberglass and stuff, and then being able to have my majority of it as a perfect mold. So that's stage one, looking to continue. So this is where we're at today. This is the end of today. How does that look? So it is 1.5 inches wider at the front and 2 inches wider at the back. Like, look at how aggressive that is. Again, really happy that I was able to create it into a curve and not just a pointy out bit in the middle. So that's basically where we're at with all of this. I've got some more work to do in terms of the shaping up that I'm going to do for the front end as well as for the bottom of the rear. But that's it. That's where we're at, everyone. This is pretty crazy. You know, here's this side as well. This one had a lot more going into it because I was figuring things out, but didn't need to do that to get the same from the other side. And do still have a fair amount of work still to do over here as well in terms of the fuel filler area. So I need to remove the old stuff and work in a new system here. You can imagine just how aggressive the front end is going to look with all of this shaped in, and it's going to cut in there. Woo! But yeah, so what a crazy long day that is. Honestly, I would love to keep shaping up stuff up. I would love to start even fiberglassing today, but my neck is really aching now. It's a lot of bending over and just constantly looking at this and that, and yeah, it does take a toll. So that's me finished for today. You join me, gonna be working on finishing off the rear quarter panels, kind of the bottom part of it, and the front wings as well. So yeah, fingers crossed I actually get it done in this video. It's going to involve a lot of cutting of stuff and just figuring things out. Let's jump right into it. So far what I've done is, well, this is the section that I need to create the new piece for. So I've gotten some cardboard, which I've kind of played around with, know roughly how much I need. So it's going to be this section here for that piece, and then I'm going to need to figure out what I'm going to do for the part that goes in the wheel well area. So got to cut this out of the wood first and take it from there. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the build where I'm going to continue on building the E30 wide body. So hopefully today I can get finished off the side skirts and start finishing off the front wings. So let me show you guys where I got into so far. So the front wings are like this. You know, they need to be perfected in certain areas. Again, you know, I want to make sure that it's lined up the spot that I want it to be over here as well. And the rear, so where I need this to kind of come out a little bit over here, I need that bit to tuck in over there, and then I need to kind of match, because if you can see here, the old wing used to come here, but the new arch ends there. I want it to kind of come up here kind of thing, so I want it to kind of curve up like that. So I gotta do that on both sides as well. And then I'm gonna figure out a way of kind of blending this in with the rear bumper, but I might actually leave that as it is and just leave it pointing out. I kind of find that a little bit cool, how that looks. And then yeah, so yeah, I feel like this is a good point now to just start building everything up. So real quick, I did create these to go on the sides, the rear side skirt, so they're gonna be kind of marked off. So I'll show you guys this one. Ugh. I need to cut a piece away here, break this piece off, which probably just do like this now. Ooh, look at that. Good thing I'm taking everything off to check everything over. But yeah, I just need to, that's gonna go at the bottom over there, blend in, and then kind of come up here as well. So I need to cut this all to match that accordingly. Reason why I want to be adding this is because when it comes on here, you can see it creates a nice arch from here all the way down to that point there, and then I can use something else to kind of match that arch over here. So that's the idea right now. So everyone, here's what I've done right now. Cardboard, well this is crunchy nut, good old crunchy nut. I've done this where I've put the cardboard here to get this line drawn out. I actually used the shadow that was coming through as well to kind of assist with that. So real quickly, I'm just going to cut this very carefully. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna do this. This is going to be used as a template to how I want that part of it to come across. So do it off there now. Because what I want here is I actually want this to all blend in with here. It's gonna be quite long to constantly keep trying to get it right on here, so I'm just gonna I've got this template now. I know what this arch is gonna be like, and I can match it up over here with what I want it to be. It might not even be with this. I might use the clay that I've bought, which might work perfectly for this. Now this part actually won't fully be used. That's going to be the original arch kind of thing, but I still want to have it there for the time being, just to make sure I get everything bang on into the right spots. Let's carry on building everything else up. So everyone, I think that's where I'm going to end the video right now. It's been a long time, and I did some clearing up of the garage as well, which has largely transformed the place and the atmosphere that I'm in right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you did enjoy this video, please hit subscribe, like and leave me a comment if you want to do so. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and for now, peace out, keep building your dreams.